Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here today. I'm a little close up. Should I move back? Okay, I think that's better. I don't want to be all up in your grill and make you feel uncomfortable. So today I'm going to be doing another review video. We are testing out some hair extensions today. Who's excited? I'm excited because I love hair extensions. So today we're going to be talking about the brand. I think you pronounce it E-litchi. It also might just be litchi. I don't know if I don't know if they go together. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it. You guys know. Don't know how to pronounce anything. But that's me sounding it out. Yeah, they sent me over 3 types of extensions to try. I got 3 different kinds. So it came in this super cute pink package. You guys know I love pink. So I was super excited about this. When it showed up on my doorstep, I was like, oh my gosh, what can this be? And then the hair extensions just came inside of it. So this is how they come packaged. We have 3 different things to try out. First of all, I'm going to try out, I got clip-in bangs. Now if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I had bangs like literally a week ago. Oh, they sent bobby pins. That's so cute. Bobby pins are a necessity and they're always lost. So yeah, I'm growing my bangs out right now. So I just have them pushed to the side because I'm getting married in like a year and I don't want to have bang issues. So I'm trying to grow them out now. And this is what they look like. Then you can just pull them out right here. They feel really nice. I think that they're supposed to be human hair. I honestly don't remember. Honestly guys, I'm not sure, but it does feel nice. It doesn't feel like fake hair. So it just has the bangs and then it has these little side pieces. They seem a little thin, but we'll see. Let me try it on right here. I'll try on the bangs. Okay, they're a little flat for sure, but I think if I took a straightener to them and I fluffed them out a little bit, these are not bad at all. They need to be played with a little bit, and I'm not sure if they match perfectly, but my hair is so freaking hard to match. But overall first impressions, I think these are kind of cute. Alright guys, next we have clip-in straight medium brown Balayage dark blonde 8-piece clip-ins, which I'm pretty sure is this. Oh geez. Okay, yeah, it says 100% Remy human hair. So these are 100% human hair, which is good because I don't think it's gonna match. It looks too dark down there. It also has hair care instructions right here, so that's super nice. And also it has their email on there, so if you need any help with stuff, you can just email them. So we got, looks like some extra clip and string in case one breaks. That's super nice. It also has instructions on how to put them in and stuff. That's super nice too. And they also gave you a 10% off code for your next order. Pull these out. Oh my gosh, these are soft. I know you can tell how soft it is by how I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not going to try them on right now because my hair was braided, so it won't blend very well, but I'm going to get one out to like test, and then later on in the video I will test them out for you guys. Oh wow, this is so nice. Okay, let me just like stick this up in my hair. Oh, maybe it's not that bad. I thought it looked like it wouldn't match at all, but maybe it kind of will. There's definitely going to be some darker pieces that I don't have in my hair, like you see right there. It's definitely darker, but I don't mind a little dimension. It might match pretty well. And if not, they are 100% human, so I can just lighten them a little bit. I need to lighten my own hair anyway because it's starting to get a little yellow and I'm not about that. Alright, so first impressions, really like these. These are freaking soft. Like, I love this. Let's open up the next one. I forget what it was. I know it was something different though. Alright, so this next one is Light Volume Halo Body Wave Dark Blonde. Okay, so this is a halo. I love a good halo. Okay, it also has hair care instructions on the back and it says 100% human hair right there. Okay, it comes with extra wire and it also comes with a 10% off code again, so that's super nice. Oh geez. Okay, there's the opening. Not sure if this will match. It might. We'll see. My hair color is just so freaking hard to match because, I mean, it's not a specific color. I feel like the easiest color to match is definitely like black or maybe like bleach blonde. Alrighty, let's open it up. I got curly because I think curly hair usually goes better, but it's human hair, so I can always just straighten it or curl it. Oh my gosh, that is so soft. Wow, that's softer than my real hair. That is crazy. Okay, this one I'm actually gonna messily put in my hair. Obviously this is not gonna blend because my hair is not curled as much as the thing, but we're just gonna roughly put it in. Okay, I'm not gonna fool with fixing it because it's not gonna go very well, but oh, I think that matches pretty good actually. like color-wise. Oh, that's nice. Wow, I look a mess. Okay guys, first impressions, I really like this hair. See you guys in 1 second when we're doing whatever we're doing. Alright, hi guys, what's up? I'm back. So today we're going to be putting the extensions in my hair and actually trying them out. I hope you're excited because I am. These extensions have been sitting here forever and I really want to try them. So let's put them in my hair. Sorry if the lighting is really harsh. I don't know why. I'm sitting in front of my window and like, I don't know why it just looks really harsh on the camera. Maybe I can fix it a little bit in editing, but I apologize for the lighting. So I tried out the Halo one and it worked good, and I tried out the bangs, so I'm just gonna be putting the clip-in extensions in my hair. Here they are. They're still in here. I haven't even taken them out. It's definitely a lot of hair. That's gonna add a lot of thickness. So let's put it in. I'm just going to put my hair up. It's definitely darker than my hair. It'll add some dimension and I think it'll be okay. All right, this is kind of boring, so I'm just gonna fast forward this and I'll come back to you guys when all the clips are in my hair. Alright guys, excuse my outfit because I'm just wearing some comfy shorts, but these are the extensions in, and they actually look really good. I think they're a little bit thin at the bottom, but not too bad. I don't think my hair naturally gets thin at the bottom because it's kind of dead. This is my natural hair right here, and then this is the extension, so it adds 3 or 4 inches maybe. But I think it definitely looks pretty natural. I also think the match is pretty good. I don't really tell a huge difference between the extension and my natural. It's definitely a little darker, but honestly, I have so many different colors in my hair, you can't really tell. I think it's really nice. It also adds some dimension, which I kind of like the darker mixed in there. So I really like them. It definitely adds some volume to my hair. Looks thicker. Can you tell? Let me know. Alright guys, so I guess this is the end of the video because I tried out the extensions and I actually really like them, and you guys saw the other things in the beginning of the video. I can pop on some bangs right now if you want me to. Yeah, I think all of these products are super good, and they're all human hair, so you can curl them, you can even dye them, I'm pretty sure. So I highly recommend these products. Oh, and just FYI, I did not use all of the things in my hair, so if you have thicker hair, you'll definitely have enough. So yeah, I really like these. I think they'll definitely add volume, like if I'm doing braids or like some type of thing where my hair looks kind of thin. I really like these, or even just wearing it down like this. I really like the way it looks. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but I do have a code with them if you want to use it. You can use EH10 for 10% off your entire order. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do it. I will have all of the things linked down below, and also the color that I got with them. So if you think your hair color is similar to mine, then you can use me as a reference. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!